Alright, y'all. We have arrived at the restaurant. What's it called? Himalayan Vegan and Organic Restaurant. This is our first time trying this stuff. So we're going to order some food.
We're going to see what it's like.
We're going to bring it out. Yeah, see what it's like. And we're going to eat it, let y'all know. Okay?
Let's go. Woo. Let's go for some Himalayan food. Woo, woo.
She almost locked her keys in the car.
You better punch the window.
Ooh, this looks nice. Alright. Alright, okay. Okay.
No cash left.
This says what? No cash left.
Let's do it.
Y'all, we finally got our food. I am so happy because Rissy has been trying to eat at this freaking restaurant for like how many months?
Like about a good 2 months.
Bruh, 2 months.
I'm so excited.
So yeah, we finally got some of this shit.
Let us try.
What did we get? So we got some utensils, yada yada, yada yada. Okay, so we're going to show y'all everything that we got from the restaurant. Starting with, I guess the first plate in my hand. I don't know if this is mine or hers, but we're going to find out.
Right.
So I had ordered like a beef and broccoli thing, right?
Okay.
Yes.
So this is yours.
Mine. Alright, let's switch.
Okay,
Alright,
so you
let me
introduce
show
yours.
you. I don't remember what it was called, but this is what my plate looks like, y'all. I don't know if y'all can
It's
see
the
that.
same exact stuff. This is not what I ordered.
Is that what he meant by it comes with everything, but we specify? We're very, very, very confused.
It can't come with everything because there's supposed to be pinto beans and there's no pinto beans. So I'm confused.
What is this? A soup?
Yeah. Sorry, y'all. We're a bit confused.
We ordered 2 separate things, and there's 2 different prices.
And these are the same thing.
We're just lost, yeah. I mean, we never been there. Maybe we ordered it wrong, but maybe
Oh no, because
he also didn't explain it, like, you know,
and
very
nor
well.
did he take down our order. He just went by.
Yeah, he just like listened to
I
us.
said
order.
I was supposed to get collard greens with kale with a shiitake mushroom sauce.
But
this is not it.
This is garbanzo beans, rice, broccoli, or cauliflower. It's like everything, but like, I don't know. He said you were gonna get everything, but
this is not everything.
But I don't get what everything was supposed to be, or why I would get everything if I ordered a specific meal. Okay, I don't know, but I'm still gonna eat it. But next time I will check with him. We also got this soup shit, bro. I don't know what this is.
Yeah, I have no idea what that is.
Well, we'll try that out.
Yeah, because mine was supposed to come with leeks and shit.
We got this kombucha as well. It's by Levs. It's mango flavored. I never had that brand, so we're gonna give that a shot. And we're gonna save the pie for last because I don't want to disappoint myself. So let's see.
The garbanzos are good.
The rice is good. This is just salad. What the fuck? Okay, so it's good as fuck. But
Not worth the money.
yeah, like what the fuck? I'm gonna check the menu again when I'm done because I swear it was regular or moderate or some shit like. There was 2 different sizes. I don't know why you call it moderate, but I figured that was a smaller size since it was the cheaper price.
I mean, there's flavor.
Yeah, it's good as fuck. Like, everything's still delicious. But Still lost. Still thinking. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't try the beans yet. It's good? Okay.
I like the garbanzos.
They're good. That salad shit's actually hella good. Whatever sauce they put on it, it's like sweet. Are these? This is kale. These are greens. This is kale. Right here. No.
So the greens are blanched.
Yeah, those are a little
Bitter.
I mean, alright, but what's up with this soup though? Let me see what. Alright, what even is this shit? Matter of fact,
It looked like milk.
let me get my phone right now because I want to know what was supposed to come with mine and what was supposed to come with hers.
Yeah.
So hold on, because this shit ain't make no sense, and I'm just so lost.
Just a little bit of V8 for you, girl.
We're gonna come to a conclusion on what the fuck just happened. Okay, it says lunch, full $14.75, moderate $12.75.
Yep.
Which in there I think it says $13.75. I
paid $12.75.
You paid $12.75. Okay. Today, pinto bean with vegetable soup. Okay. No, we're just stupid. We're just stupid. We're just dumb. I ain't gonna lie. We're just dumb. So, this is what it says. Because obviously I didn't read everything. There's the price. And then it says, each order comes with all 6 items, 1 through 6. Full is a larger portion where moderate is a smaller portion. You may also order a la carte style if you only wanted a few of the items but not all. So you can order them individually. Otherwise, full is the full version, a big portion, and moderate is a small portion. Okay. I had to figure that out because that shit was going to hurt my brain. And obviously, humans don't pay the fuck attention. So, okay. Gotcha. Oh my god, the broccoli's so big.
So far for me, the star of the show is these garbanzo beans, bro.
Bro? I like the sauce on there. But the rice is actually good. For me, rice is usually kind of plain. It's got a little zest to it. Or is this quinoa? My stupid ass calling it rice. I'm about to try this hot ass soup. Let me smell this shit. Smell cool. Looks good. It's clean. Nothing weird floating around in my shit. Feel me? I always check my food. I don't know about y'all. But coming from being a manager in the food industry, check your motherfucking food before you eat it. Delicious, a little bland, but it's good. It could use just like a pinch more salt, like just a pinch.
Yeah.
It kind of tastes like that broccoli you bought me there one time. That shit hot as fuck, goddamn.
Well, I ate mine. All of it.
Oh, I'm gonna eat all this shit. I just...
Except for carrots, because I hate carrots.
Bruh, what the fuck? That's what I'm eating right now, the carrots. So far,
This food smack.
it's smack. Yeah, it's getting a high rating. We at 9, 10.
Did you mix yours?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. Surely. Yeah, it's good. It's delicious. It's delicious.
definitely bland.
Bland,
As
right?
fuck.
Yeah, I think
Like as fuck. No flavor.
Like, you know what they're going for.
I sure the fuck don't. Because it literally tastes like water. You don't even taste the bean.
Not at all. You
Like-
definitely don't taste no beans.
And it's water consistency.
Ah. Ah.
Yeah, I could use some pepper, garlic, onion.
She said everything.
Tastes like mud water.
Technically, mud water would be kind of vegan soup, so. Alright, y'all, look. I'm gonna get that soup like a 6, 7. It's good, but it could use more. Like
I'm gonna give
seasoning.
this soup like a 3.
I'm gonna get the food though. Like we sitting at a 9, 8, 9. Could have
Yeah.
put more on there, but it still tastes good though. Feel me? It's hitting. Check your expiration dates, cause niggas be playing. You feel me? I'm gonna try this mango kombucha. Sorry, kombucha.
It's alive.
It is live. Oh, you're not gonna like that. You're not gonna like that.
That tastes like
Mango vinegar.
straight vinegar at that. Here, pour a little bit in my juice.
Kombucha is one of those like healthy drinks, you know? It's good, but you gotta be used to it. I think it's good, but it's definitely not that sweet.
It was better with the V8. But
Y'all, I'm counting on this pie to be the finishing touch, you feel me?
I got strawberry
And I got chocolate.
or key lime if there isn't. One or the other. He gives us both chocolate. I'd be like, are you an idiot?
Mmm. Oh, yes. Y'all see this shit? Hold on. Bruh, y'all see the color on that?
Cosmo and Wanda.
Ooh. Oh my God. We just put it on the same plate because it's fuck
Oops. I accidentally got a little piece of yours.
it. Bruh.
That was an accident.
I'm taking my pie and putting it on my plate. I gotta clean the fork. Alright, y'all.
I don't know how I feel about it. It's like made with dates and coconut and nuts and yeah.
It's not that good. It don't smell like nothing. Ooh. Ooh. Goddamn. That shit stank. Oh my God.
Tastes like cream cheese.
That's cool. Wanna try it?
Yours is worse.
It's actually pretty good. I ain't gonna lie, it's good. I'm gonna give it an 8.
This tastes like strawberry butter. It tastes like I'm eating a stick of butter. That's what it is.
Okay, it does have butter consistency. Or like thick Cool Whip. But as you can see, my shit almost gone, so don't drop it on the ground.
The crust isn't that bad.
The chocolate one's probably good.
No. Nope, it's probably not. I'd rather eat the crust.
I tell you this, it's not worth $5.99. That's how much we paid for it. It's not worth $5.99. It's worth more like $2.99. I paid $3 for it. Cause it's
This shit isn't even cooked, I can tell you that. This is raw.
Oh my god. I think I reached my limit.
Overall, I think I'm gonna give this place like a 7.
7?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got high 7. Not like a dog, you know, we dogging you out 7, but we was expecting just a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
But it was good. You know, it was good.
The service, though, is...
He was nice. Yeah, the dude, the chef. Oh boy, your boy. Keep doing your thing. You making money. And you ain't killing no animals. Soft fucks with it. I'm not gonna ask you like you said, is there eggs in this?
Mm-hmm.
No, bitch, it says vegan restaurant, bruh.
Yeah, because they be getting people with that vegetarian word. People don't understand what that means.
And y'all, just so you know, just because you don't eat eggs and milk don't mean your stomach won't hurt sometime when you eat a lot of food. Because when you have sugar, you will have to shit.
I take it that's her.
But I'm back. And I'm back with the blunts. That was for y'all. That was for y'all. So was it worth it? Are you happy that you finally went?
I'm happy I finally went because I got to see. Was it worth the amount we paid? No.
Hell no.
No.
All together, y'all, guess how much this cost? Wrong. It was what? 47.
Yeah, it was about
something.
50. It was right under 50.
Right. Yeah. 2 plates. They was full, but they weren't like.
They're small plates.
Yeah, she finished. You finished your whole plate and the pie. Just didn't finish the soup. So I just felt like the price. I'm not upset about the price, but it could be lower. You know, I mean, if I was hungry and I eat vegan food, I would.
Yeah, for everything, I wouldn't mind paying like about 30.
Yeah, altogether.
I would pay 30 for everything.
30.
Maybe
35 for the kombucha.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
Because kombucha it is expensive.
Yeah, your pie is shit. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna.
That shit was good. Look,
Well, let me not say it was shit. It's just not my type at all, by any means.
But look, y'all, they changed their menu daily. So just because we didn't really like this, or we liked it, you know, they might.
It'll be different tomorrow. So essentially, you could go there almost every day of the week, and you're gonna have a different meal.
Yeah, so that's kind of good. It's probably how to keep their customers come back too.
Yeah.
Because like, if they didn't really like that, well, shit, you might like tomorrow's.
I'll tell you what, them garbanzo beans. I'll say it again.
Those were good.
Those were so good.
I'm gonna lie, that's my favorite. That sauce is whatever dressing
It was like
you made.
the carrot, turmeric, ginger.
That's what that was. It tasted sweet. It's probably because carrots are kind of sweet. That was good. Do you see my cat and what he does? He put himself here. Mr. No. Mr. Brown Cow. Oh no. Well, y'all, that is our review of, what's it called?
Himalaya vegan and organic restaurant.
That.
It wasn't that bad, but it wasn't that good. Nah,
It was good. It was good. It just wasn't great. It wasn't like fantastic. It wasn't no Susie burger. You feel me? That shit would have your mouth melting.
I don't think it's gonna agree with my stomach. I'm just gonna say that. My stomach just made a noise and oh my god, the cat.
He has a thing for paper bags. If y'all like this video, don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get a notification every single time we post a video.